Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by preheating the oven to 180 degrees C so the batter won't sit too long. Combine 200 g sugar with 2 eggs and beat until paler. This traps air. Then add 120 ml neutral oil and 1 cup plain yogurt to lighten texture. Yogurt gives acidity and moisture. Once smooth, sift or mix in 250 g flour with 5 tsp baking powder. Reserve 1 tablespoon flour to dust the pan to prevent sticking. Move to the next step without delay. Now you focus on gentle technique. Fold wet and dry ingredients until just combined to avoid developing gluten. Overmixing makes cake tough. At this point, add flavor. Lemon or orange zest, 1 tsp vanilla, or 2 tablespoon honey for a subtle sweetness. Stir in 50 g chopped nuts or fruit if desired. Pour the batter into the greased 20 cm pan, tap the pan on the counter to release large air bubbles, and smooth the top. Make sure oven is at temperature. You bake the cake for about 30–40 minutes at 180 degrees C. Start checking at 30 minutes by inserting a toothpick near center. If it comes out mostly clean with a few crumbs, it's done. Once baked, cool the cake 10 minutes in the pan so structure sets, then invert onto a wire rack to cool fully. This preserves moist crumb from the yogurt. If the center is soggy, tent foil and return to oven for 5–10 minutes. Make sure not to slice while still hot to prevent crumbling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.